Do you want to start using CBS streaming app on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download and install CBS app streaming on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Apple Store. Then once you open your Apple Store, you should have something like this on your main screen. Then tap on the search bar or the search icon. Then use the search tab. Then input CBS streaming. Then tap on search. Then right here you can figure this is the app right here, CBS. Then tap on it. Then tap on get. Once tap on get, your Apple account will verify the app if it is available for your region. Then after that, you should see something like this, which is the install button. Once tap on the install button, your Face ID will be scanned, or your passcode or your Touch ID will be scanned. And after that, you can now install the app directly to your phone, and that's how you can install the CBS app on your phone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.